Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Fortnite network connection lost on PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in order to do this, we're going to try a couple of solutions. First, we're going to try to enter some codes in the command prompt window. To do that, you want to click onto the search box underneath in the taskbar and then type in command prompt. And once the app appears, give it a click. And now that you have it opened, you want to insert the first code, which is ipconfig//dns, and then press enter. Then for the next code, you want to type in net space winsock space reset, and then press enter. And as you can see here, it says that you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So before that, you want to type in exit, and then press enter to close the command prompt window. And now click onto the window icon and then the power button, and click onto restart in order to complete the reset. If that didn't work, then we can try something else. You want to click onto the search box in the taskbar again, and then this time you want to type in network. Then click on to view network connections. Here you want to look for the network that you are connected with and right-click on it and then click onto properties. Once you do, this window will pop up from here. You want to highlight Internet Protocol version 4 and then click onto the properties button right here. You want to make sure to tick this box right here, and then the first space underneath it, type in 1111, just like this. And then on the second one, type in 100 and then 1. And after that, you can come down here and click onto OK. If that also didn't work, then we have another option to try. Come back again to the home screen, click onto the search box and type in settings. This is going to open up the settings page. From here, you want to click onto network and internet on the left-hand side. Then scroll down and click onto advanced network settings. Then scroll down again and click onto network reset. You're going to find this reset now button, so all you have to do is click on it. And then after that, you want to restart your computer, and the Fortnite network connection lost error should be fixed. So that's basically how you can fix Fortnite network connection lost on PC. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.